Welcome to InvestoSphere, the channel where we explore the most powerful and profitable online opportunities that can help you take control of your financial future. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most scalable and passive income-generating methods available today, YouTube automation. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is YouTube automation? How do people make thousands of dollars from faceless YouTube channels without recording a single video themselves? And how can you do the same? In this video, we're going to break it all down step by step. We'll cover everything from choosing a niche, outsourcing content creation, setting up systems, monetization strategies, and scaling your channel to generate truly passive income. This is not just theory. It's a detailed blueprint based on real strategies people are using right now to build entire businesses around YouTube. So stay with us till the end, because by the time you finish watching, you'll have a complete understanding of how to build a YouTube automation channel from scratch, even if you have zero experience. Part 1. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is a business model where you run a YouTube channel without being the face of it or personally creating the content. Instead, you outsource tasks like scripting, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnail design. You focus on the strategy, niche selection, content planning, and managing the channel. This model allows you to treat YouTube like a real business where your time is leveraged and your income is scalable. Many entrepreneurs use this system to generate multiple streams of passive income while spending just a few hours per week managing their team and channel performance. Part 2. Why YouTube automation is so powerful. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. You can create multiple channels to diversify income. Once monetized, your content continues to make money passively. You can build a team around your content creation process. You can scale much faster than a personal brand channel. Part 3. Choosing the right niche. Not all niches are suitable for automation. Here are a few that work well: finance and investing, technology and gadgets, luxury and lifestyle, motivational and self-improvement, celebrity news and drama, top 10 and list-style content. Focus on a niche that has high CPM, cost per mil, consistent audience interest, and evergreen content potential. Part 4. How to find content ideas. Use tools like YouTube Search, Autocomplete, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy, Google Trends, Reddit, and Quora. Look for high-volume, low-competition topics that people are actively searching for. Structure your videos around curiosity-driven titles and thumbnails. Part 5. Building your team. To fully automate your channel, hire freelancers for script writing, voiceovers or AI-generated voices, video editing, thumbnail creation. You can find reliable freelancers on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and onlinejobs.ph. Start small and scale up as you begin making money. Part 6. Producing a high-quality automated video. Each video should follow this flow. Hook. First 5 to 10 seconds. Introduction of the topic. Main content divided into clear sections. Conclusion with call to action. Ensure the voiceover is engaging, the visuals are dynamic, and the script flows naturally. Always optimize for retention and engagement. Part 7. Uploading and optimizing videos. When uploading your videos, use SEO-optimized titles with searchable keywords. Write detailed, keyword-rich descriptions. Add relevant tags. Create custom, eye-catching thumbnails. Add chapters to longer videos. Use your channel analytics to see what works and adjust accordingly. Part 8. Monetizing your YouTube automation channel. Monetization options include YouTube AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Affiliate marketing, sponsor videos, selling digital products or services, Patreon or memberships. Diversify your revenue streams as early as possible. Part 9. Scaling and building a brand. As your channel grows, reinvest profits into better freelancers. Start a second or third channel. Collaborate with other creators, even via automation. Build an email list or digital product line based on your niche. Consider outsourcing management of the channel completely. So there you have it. a complete step-by-step guide to building your own YouTube automation channel. This is one of the most exciting ways to create passive income in 2025, and it's something anyone can start with minimal investment and zero prior experience. If you learned something valuable today and feel inspired to start your own channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to InvestoSphere for more powerful online income strategies, and leave a comment letting us know what niche you're thinking about starting your channel in. Now, before we end, here's a question for you. What's stopping you from starting your YouTube automation channel today? Is it fear, budget, or lack of time? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.